Certainly, it's undeniable that not every handyman is equipped to offer the same range of services. The root cause of this issue often lies in the absence of the appropriate tools. Now, let's explore the top 7 essential tools that every handyman should possess. Although it seems more like a toy, this King Tony 2747DR is the ultimate tool for all your screwdriving needs. This versatile ratchet screwdriver is designed to make your life easier in so many ways. It has a swivel handle that lets you loosen or lock screws at any angle, no matter how tricky the spot is. Plus, the forward-reverse mechanism allows for effortless switching between tightening and loosening, while the 5-degree ratcheting gear lets you use it in the narrowest of spaces with ease. And the 72-teeth ratchet ensures a smooth and precise operation, giving you maximum control and accuracy. Get ready to upgrade your workspace with the ToughBuilt WB700 Workbench, the perfect addition for all your commercial and DIY needs. This workbench is so easy to set up, you'll be done in a jiffy. It's so compact that it takes up less space than your average yoga mat. With its flush-fit recessing carry handle, you can take it with you wherever you go. But wait, there's more. The WB700 Workbench is compatible with patented ClipTech pouches at all 4 corners, so you can keep your tools organized and easily accessible. Plus, it has multiple clamping points, giving you plenty of options for securing your workpieces. And with the Smart Surface and quick reference measurement markings, you'll always get accurate measurements. Apart from that, the WB700 is built to last, with heavy-duty legs and ruggedized feet providing stability on any surface. Are you annoyed with tripping over extension cords or untangling them like a ball of yarn? Get rid of all those hassles with these Flexzilla retractable extension cord reels. With options of 25 or 50 feet in length, you'll have enough cord to complete your requirements. Thanks to the grounded plug with a 5-foot lead-in cord, these reels will keep you safely connected, while the lighted triple tap outlet will keep you feeling like a rock star with plenty of capacity. On top of that, these Flexzilla reels come with a swiveling mounting bracket that pivots in every direction, so you can work comfortably in any position. Plus, it comes with an adjustable cord stopper, meaning you'll never have to stretch and strain to reach your outlet again. And as if that wasn't enough, the power indicator light is like the cherry on top of your DIY sundae. Say goodbye to the old-school methods of checking the temperature, and pick up the INGCO HIT015501 thermometer. No more guessing, no more burns, and definitely, no more mind tricks needed. This sleek and ergonomically designed tool is your new temperature measurement hero. With its IRT on-and-off system, you can take precise measurements from a safe distance without touching a thing. Plus, the laser features a color display screen, so you'll be able to read the temperature of any surface with ease. And the upper and lower limit alarms will give you that extra peace of mind while using it. Whether you're a professional by trade or a regular user, the INGCO HIT015501 thermometer will be your new go-to gadget for all your temperature measurement needs. Tired of using different tools for different measuring tasks? It's high time to get the Milescraft 8406 Exactor. It's a multi-purpose tool that'll make you feel like a DIY superhero. This tool is no ordinary T-square. It's a true T-square that can handle inside and outside corners like a boss. And with its 4-way built-in scale, you won't have to be a math genius to get your measurements right. But wait, there's more. The 8406 Exactor comes with some seriously cool features, like built-in dual levels to keep your hands from shaking, a sliding bevel that'll have you feeling like a master carpenter, and a depth gauge that'll ensure you don't cut too much off. You can also use this tool to measure and cut 45-degree miter angles and 90-degree inner and outer angles when in need. This is the KwikPro KwikLif, a compact and powerful solution to all your car lifting needs. This tool may be small, but it packs a punch. With a size similar to a drill, the KwikPro is operated just like one. Simply place the metal lifter underneath your car, attach the motor handle, and press. Your car will be lifted in no time, with no hassle and complete safety. And when you're done, the fast and reverse gear mechanism makes lowering your car a breeze. Plus, the KwikPro can even power a handy impact wrench when you need it. So don't let a bulky car lifter cramp your style. Keep the KwikPro nearby and lift your car with ease whenever you need to. It's the ultimate space-saving tool for any workshop. It's soldering time. No matter whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can just pick up this samp-on soldering iron kit in hand and get the safest way of soldering. These portable butane soldering kits are ideal for soldering wires or electrical terminals, even for heating shrink sleeves. Each of the soldering iron features a quick-release connector for easy tip changeover. Not just that, they also have a unique one-touch igniter switch and magnetic storage stand to keep you going well on and off the job. Wanna know the coolest part? These snap-on iron kits also notify you about the remaining fuel on its integrated fuel gauge windows on both sides. No compromises on safety, no compromise on precision. And this concludes our list of the 7 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.